Graham versus Connor, a case decided in 1989 in which Graham, who was a diabetic, had some sort of insulin reaction while doing auto work in his home. A friend took him to a convenience store to purchase some orange juice, and he ran in, saw that there was a long line, and ran out relatively quick. An officer noticed that he was there an unusual quick amount of time and pulled him over about a half-mile away from the convenience store. Graham was still experiencing this insulin reaction and appeared that he was intoxicated. Graham exited the vehicle and ran around the car several times before Officer Connor stopped him and sat him on the curb. Eventually, other officers arrived. Graham continued to resist even though he was handcuffed, and eventually sustained multiple injuries, including a broken foot as a result. This then goes up to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court unanimously rules that use of force should be judged based on an objectively reasonable standard versus the good faith that it was initially looked at. And objectively reasonable is basically the reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene rather than with 20/20 vision of hindsight.